Hello everyone. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Today we're going to see simplification sum. These kind of sums are very helpful for all bank exam, RRB and SSC. Now let's enter into the sum, that is 2 root of 27 minus root of 75 plus root of 12. What is the answer? We can able to calculate within seconds. Suppose we having multiply symbol here means we can easily multiply this as a common root, but here we having plus symbol. So what we have to do means, and here the numbers are not a square numbers, so we have to see this 27, 75 and 12 is divisible by 3. So we have to change it as a 3 multiplication. So 27 is changes into 3 into 9 and 75 is changes as root of 3 into 25 plus root of 3 into 4, that is 12. So we changed like this. Now we have to take the square root, that is 9, 25 and 4. These are all the square root numbers. So we can take easily as a square root. So what is the square root for 9? We all will know that it is 3. So what we have to do means, we have to multiply this 3 into 2, that is 6. So 6 remaining root 3. So 6 root 3 minus 25 is a root of 5. So we have to written as 5 root 3 plus, what is the square root value for 4? That is 2. So we have to written as 2 root 3. So here root 3s are in the common. So we have to take as a common root 3. So what we have to do means 6 minus 5 plus 2. Here we go into the addition and subtraction according to the BODMAS rule. So for the BODMAS rule, what we have to do means, BODMAS rule video links are available in the iCard. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the addition, that is 6 plus 2. We have to written as 8 minus 5. The next step what we have to do means, we have to do the subtraction. So root of 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. So final answer is, we have to written as 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 is a perfect answer for this simplification sum. Now let's enter into the second sum, that is root of 24 plus root of 216 divided by root of 96. What is the answer? Here these numbers are not a square root values. So here 24, 216 and 96, we have to change this as divisible by 6 value. So we have to written as root of, according to the first sum, we have to change 6 into 4, that is 24 plus root of, these also we have to change into 6 table, that is 6 into 36, that is 216 divided by 96. We have to change it as root of 6 into 16. Now we change it as a divisible by 6 values. The next step is 4 is a square root and 36 is a square root and 16 is a square root values. So we have to change the square root values. So what is the value for 4 square root? We have to written as 2 root 6 plus 36 square root value is 6. So we have to write as 6 root 6 divided by 16 is a square root for 4. So we have to write as 4 root of 16. Here also the same process, we have to take the root 6 as common value. So according to the rules, we have to take root 6 as a common value, means root 6 bracket of 2 plus 6 divided by root 6 4. The next step what we have to do means, we have to cancel the root 6 and root 6 because these two values are in the same process. So we get cancelled. And the next step is 2 plus 6, that is 8. So we have to put here 8 divided by 4. Again we have to cancel this. So 4 ones are and 8 twos are. So final answer is 2. So 2 is a perfect answer for this simplification sum. By making a perfect practice, we can able to do these kind of simplification sums very easily. Other simplification video links are given in the description box for your verification. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for other notification, click a bell icon. Thank you for watching.